In this video, we're going to learn how to solve these physics repeated questions under AC, DC generators, and AD current. So we're going to practice with 10 repeated questions for this subtopic in electromagnetic induction. So let's begin with the question 1. It says, a generator manufacturing company accidentally made an AC generator instead of a DC generator. To fix this error, the number of turns of the armature coil needs to be decreased. The slip rings should be replaced with a split ring. The magnetic field needs to be made stronger. The split ring should be replaced with a slip ring. So guys, the correct option in this question is option B, which is the slip rings should be replaced with split rings. Alright, so take note of this particular question. Oftentimes I have seen it repeated. The next question will be this one. It says which parts of a DC generator convert an AC in the armature to a DC in the external circuit. We have slip rings and brushes, commutator and brushes, armature and core, field poles. So the right option is option B, which is commutator and brushes. The next question is this one. It says in Fleming's right hand rule, the thumb, the forefinger and the middle finger, if held mutually at right angles, represent respectively the real motion, the field, and the induced current, the motion, and the field, the induced current, and the motion, induced current, the field, and the motion. The right option in this question is option A, which is motion, the field, and the induced current. Alright, so that's it for this question. The next one is this one. It says the DC generator has essentially the same components as the AC generator, except the presence of real armature, carbon brushes, slip ring, split ring. So the right option is option D, which is split ring. Okay, the next question is this one. It says a generator manufacturing company was contracted to produce an AC dynamo but inadvertently produced a DC dynamo. To correct this error, the commutator should be replaced with a slip ring, commutator should be replaced with split rings, armature coil should be made of silver, armature coil should be made of aluminium. So the right option in this question is option A, which is commutator should be replaced with slip rings. Alright, the next question is this one. It says the iron core of an induction coil is made from bundles of wire so as to generate AC current, minimize AC current, get the greatest possible secondary voltage, prevent sparking at the contact breaker. So the right option in this question is option B, which is minimize AC current. The next question will be this one. It says to convert an alternating current dynamo into a direct current dynamo, the number of turns in the coil is increased, strength of the field magnet is increased, slip rings are replaced with split ring commutator, coil is wound on soft iron armature. So the right option to this question is option C, which is slip rings are replaced with split ring commutator. Alright, so the next question will be this question. It says in Fleming's right hand rule, I think I've answered this question before. The right option is option A, which is motion, the field, and the induced current. The next repeated question will be this one. It says which of the following is a characteristic of an AC dynamo? The current produced by an AC dynamo is constant in direction. The voltage produced by an AC dynamo varies in amplitude. The voltage produced by an AC dynamo is constant in amplitude. The current produced by an AC dynamo reverses direction periodically. So the right option is question is option D, which is the current produced by an AC dynamo reverses direction periodically. The last repeated question before I end this video is this one. It says energy losses through AC current are reduced by using high resistance wires, few tons of wires, low resistance wires, insulated soft iron wire. So the right option for this question is option D, which is insulated soft iron wire. Alright, so this basically can deal with problems involving AC, DC generators, and AC current in your physics. Practice with 10 repeated questions for this topic. Hope you learned something interesting from the video. Let's go to the video, guys. If you are new to the channel, ensure that you are subscribed to this channel for more of my videos. Also like, share, and comment on this video. May I feel for what I learned from this video. If you seem to have any specific questions to ask regarding what I have talked about in this video, feel free to leave your question on the comment section below, and I will be sure to give you a response. Also ensure that you are part of the channel membership by clicking the join button, where you'll be receiving special information that will help to simplify your academic problem. Alright, so having known that, click on the end screen above, and I see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.